Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream cones at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. You will also need a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your waffle cone maker is ready, or have a good non-stick pan on hand. Let's get started with the mixing process. Now let's mix the batter. In a medium bowl, whisk the 2 large eggs with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, gradually add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt, mixing until just combined. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the batter is smooth. Avoid overmixing for the best texture. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Preheat your waffle cone maker to a medium setting. Pour about 2 tablespoons of batter onto the center of the hot iron, then close it. Cook for approximately 60 to 90 seconds, or until the waffle is a beautiful golden brown. As soon as it's done, quickly remove the warm waffle and roll it around a cone shaper. Work fast, as they harden quickly. Once shaped, let your homemade ice cream cones cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispness. Once fully cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They should stay fresh and crunchy for several days, ready for your favorite scoops of ice cream. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.